Man, I got ripped off for $400 in 2JZ parts on eBay. Who is this unethical seller of the parts? Nobody knows. Not even eBay.
MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to MoeTheDriver, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I can't believe it. Yes, I was ripped off. I can't believe it. It's just uncalled for that somebody would do this. But I got it fixed. When you get thirsty, have a beer. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you what I have that took care of the problem, and we're on back to building the truck, man. Just crazy. Let me show you. So you already saw a couple of videos that I had when I had head studs and main studs. The head studs are supposed to be 625 plus. If you look back at the old video, I'll link it here, and you'll be able to see the same part number, 203-4301 Toyota 2JZ GE GTE 6. It says CA625 HSK. That's head stud kit. Well, the other ones have the exact same box. They're supposed to be 625 plus. Well, guess what, dude? Let me show you what 625 plus actually looks like. I'm not a 2J guy. I'm getting there. But I figured it out, man. It was actually another viewer on eBay that says, hey, are you sure that those are supposed to be black? Because I just got my 625s and they're silver. I said, well, wait a minute. The box says 625. I paid 625 price, so it must be 625s. Well, guess what, folks? They're not. They're regular chromoly studs, and I got ripped off. I bought them a long time ago, and I didn't take the time to open them right then because I wasn't building an engine then. So I waited, and when I finally did open them, they're black. And yeah, too late. Hold on. Let me show you the difference. So, first of all, guys are telling me that when you get the chromoly studs don't come in this plastic. My black chromoly studs did come in this plastic. Then guys are saying that the 625 studs always have this silver color, not black. So another way that you can check to make sure you don't get ripped off is the 625 studs actually say 625 plus stamped right on it. Let me see if I can focus this. Come on, man. Focus. Well, it didn't focus very well, but yeah, right stamped on here, it says ARP 625 plus right here, stamped. The black ones, they don't say that. So make sure that when you're buying from an eBay seller, that if you're buying something like a 625 plus head stud, that you make sure that you open the studs right when you get them. Open them up, check to make sure they're silver in color, they have this plastic sheathing, and that they're also stamped 625 plus ARP on the end, on the bolt end, not on this end. See? Not on that end, on this end. Make sure you do that so you don't get ripped off like I did. Make sure you count all of your studs to make sure you have all of the studs, right? How many studs should you have? Well, let's figure it out. 14? 14 washers. I bet you that there are 14 of these as well. Well, let's go ahead and count them up. Make sure we have 14. Up, 1, 2, 3, 14. See that? We have them all. I tricked you. I did a fast forward on that. See how I did that? All right. Make sure that you have all the documentation. Make sure that it says that they are for 2J. I did this all before, and all of the paperwork matched, man. So I think what happened is they did some repackaging. They bought a set of 625s, and they bought a set of chromoly, and they swapped the boxes, and they sold them to me. Those bastardos. Can you believe that, man? I got ripped off. There's no way for me to get my money back because the seller has vanished. Played the whole, I'm going to sell something, sell many things probably, and then just disappeared. So now I'm stuck with these regular studs that I don't really need. So I'm going to have to try to sell them and still take probably a $300 loss after I sell them to someone else. Moral of the story, folks, make sure you check your products when you get them. Doesn't matter if I would have got them from eBay or from a regular seller, or if I got them from Amazon, or if I got them from a tuning shop. Make sure you check your products when you get them. That way you don't end up like me with some crap you can't use because you're trying to make all the horsepowers, 1,300 horsepowers. Those things wouldn't have made it past 30 PSI, man. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for subbing. We're getting the truck done, and we're about to haul ass, man. So stay tuned.